Hello everyone. Today, instead of unboxing and reviewing a new fidget for you, I'm gonna bring you one that I really like, I really enjoy. It's super tiny, which is cool, and yet packs a powerful punch. So this is the ZZ EDC, if I'm not mistaken. ZZ EDC. ZZ EDC Bean Z slider. As you can see, I opened it and very cool. This is how you get it. I try to save packages for archiving purposes. It comes with the cool Dewey key to make it into a necklace. Haven't tried it, but it's here. So I will show you. This is the box. Really cool box, to be honest. Yes, ZZEDC, as I thought. Very cool. And this is it. I'm gonna zoom in when I take it out. It's very tiny. So tiny I can just when you put it to the side, maybe I can zoom in better. Puny, tiny and puny. Teeny tiny. But again, I'm going to remove this Dewey key. As you can see, even though it's tiny, it's like less than the tip of my finger, like that. The third segment of my finger, really tiny. This is the stainless steel and PEI version. There is a newer version in gold, and even newer still in zirconium. The zirconium looks awesome, but it's expensive, so until I really feel like I need to add it to my collection, I'm very fine with this one, this little bin. Wanna play with it a little and show you how it feels and how it sounds without me talking. Very, very, it's amazing. It's so tiny and puny, really. It's amazing. Such clicks, I don't know how. And as someone who uses the top B rain a lot, I feel right at home here. The B is a little silent, a little quieter. Silent is not the correct term here. Is a little quieter than this. So if you're looking for really, really pronounced clicks and haptics in a really small package. Again, I'm amazed at how small it is. Yes. They did a great job. And even though it's the first iteration, the first variation of this, you can still find it a lot of EDC shops and AliExpress sellers and so on and so forth that carries it in stock. So if you want, if you're looking for some cool thingamajig, I'm going to put this. You see? I'm gonna guess because I really don't know, but we will persevere. Hey, we will persevere. There's something here that I'm missing. Aha. This is, it's on there really tight. It's just hold on like this inside it. And when you close it, nothing will move it. Well, actually, I think it will be pretty good as a necklace. Very light. Looks cool. The stainless steel and PEI is and the Z is really good. That's it. That's the Bin Z slider by ZZ EDC. I really enjoyed it, and I enjoyed showing it to you. That's it. I hope you enjoy it too, and thank you for watching. Until next time.